Hello and what is up, you guys? Good morning, everyone. And so, welcome to day 2 of our 7-day journey here in Singapore. And actually, I just woke up. I tried to sleep in kasi kanina umuulan. So, one, there's no point na gumising na maaga kasi, well, yun nga, umuulan. And secondly, based sa mga nabasa ko kasi when I was doing research, most of the local stores, lalo na dun sa mga Sultan Mosque area and Chinatown, mga 11 in lunchtime, nagbubukas. So there's really no point na gumising na maaga kasi otherwise, humidity and heat lang madadatnan natin sa ating paglalakad. So, ayun. And so, with this, I just wanna lay din kung ano yung magiging itinerary natin for today. And it will primarily focus on Fullerton Square, which will include itong Fullerton's Hotel and yung Cavina Bridge, which paglabas mo dyan sa window, makikita mo na siya. So, ayun guys. And pupunta rin tayo sa Makasuntra Glutton's Bay. Pero it's not part of the Fullerton Square, but it's actually the closest hawker center from here, and it's actually just walking distance. So, pwede natin siyang sadyain for dinner. So, ayun guys. But before anything else, I just want to make a quick room tour din para makita nyo rin ang amenities ng Fullerton. So, ayun guys, let's go, samahan niyo ako! So, ayun guys, let's just do a quick walking tour before I get into the details. Actually, pagpasok ko kagabi, tired as I was, sobrang na-jaw drop ako kasi ang ganda ng room, sobrang ganda. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. So, ayun siya guys. Actually, medyo tinatamad na ako mag-isa-isa ng amenities. Pero sige na nga. So, bali, here sa cabinet may pang plancha, merong extra pillows, yan, may flashlight for in cases of emergency. Tapos, ito, real quick na lang guys. Pwede ka mag-hanger dyan ng mga damit mo, pwede ka maglagay dyan ng kung ano-ano, yan. And then, ito, merong space for whatever. And then, doon, yung mga shoes. Tapos, dito, may safe. And then, ano to kaya to? Extra pillow na naman. Oh, yes. Extra pillow ulit. And then, dito may safe. Yun. Tapos, unahin lang muna natin yung banyo. So, ito, merong bathtub. So, yan siya, guys. Of course, may mirror. And then, yung shower room. Tapos, dito, merong sink. Merong mirror ulit. May extra towels dun sa baba. And then, yung kanilang toilet area. Which is, tingnan nyo, nakakasipang in Japan toilet. Nakita ko yan. Tapos, merong phone din, and then toilet papers. Tapos, gulat ako guys yung mga ano nila. Like for example yan, mga Diptyque products. And even yung kanilang mga, this one, mga Diptyque products. So, ayun. Pero, nagdadala pa rin ako guys kasi pag may mga scent, heavily scented products, kinakati ako kasi eczema prone. Ganun. Tapos dito, ano pa ba? May blower. Tapos, close lang natin to. Tapos yan guys, yung TV. Parang they provide welcome fruits din. Ang sarap nitong plum guys. First time ko nakatikim ng plum. Parang crunchy pala siya. Basta crunchy, juicy, ganyan. First time ko nakatikim ng plum kagabi. Tapos yung kiwi nila, ang tamis. Kakainin ko yan later. Tapos, so ito yung basically yung working area nila where you can work. Tapos dito, I'm not sure. I think you can, kunyari gusto mong i-project yung work mo, you can use that para, you can use this as an external monitor, or if not naman, pwede kang manood dyan ng TV, YouTube, or whatnot. Tapos, eto, phone. Hindi ko pa nakalkal to actually, pero I'm guessing mga empty shelves siya. Tapos may trash bin. Tapos yan, guys, merong chair. Yan. Itong kanilang parang sofa na nakadikit dun sa bed. Tapos, bed. And then, you have your side tables kung saan ako nag-charge ng mga gadgets for today's shoot. And then, may mga frame. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung before na Fullerton, but I'm not sure. Or ito yung mga old Singapore. Tingnan nyo na lang, guys. Baka old Singapore na to or what. Ewan ko, I don't know. Yan siya. Tapos, sa kanilang bar, merong mga ganyan. Although those are not for free. If you scan the QR code, makikita niyo yung menu. And then, ito siya, yung water. Pwede ka mag-refill sa banyo kasi meron mga may sign doon ng filtered water for drinking. So, doon mo siya i-refill. And then, itong Nespresso. Tapos yung kanilang tea and capsule for Nespresso. And then yung, obviously, mga platito. And then, yan. And then, merong mini fridge. We open this ba? Ito, mini fridge. Yan. So, yun guys. Tapos, merong Dyson na electric fan. So, basically, yun siya guys. Tapos, guys, open lang natin to. Pagka labas mo, ayan na yung Cavina Bridge, guys. So, ito yung view from my balcony. Ayan na yung Cavina Bridge, which pupuntahan natin siya later on. Pwede ka maglakad dyan. Going to... Wait lang, hindi ba yan yung Cavina Bridge? Basta isa dyan sa dalawa. I will have to check later on. Tapos sasabihin ko sa inyo kung nasan siya. So basically, ayan yung view ng Singapore. Ganda, no? Tapos guys, banda dun yung tawag dito, yung Merlion. Basta banda dyan. Hindi ko pala na-mention yung Merlion kanina sa itinerary. So, basically, pupuntahan din natin siya. So, Fullerton Square, Fullerton Hotel, Cavina Bridge, Merlion Park, and then yung Makasun Tragloton's Bay. So, yun. So, yun siya. Ayun guys, kanina umuulan, pero tingnan nyo, lumalabas na yung mga tao. So, baka wala ng ulan. Ay, guys, grabe, ang init na. Ano kaya ito? Church? Ay, hindi. Theater nakalagay. So, ayan siya, guys. Yung view. Let's just appreciate it a bit more. Iba kasi yung vibe dito sa paggabi. Syempre, hindi as detailed as ganyan, pero city lights sa makikita. Which I will show naman later sa gabi. Pero iba rin yung ganda niya sa umaga. So, ayun, guys. Let's just appreciate it a bit more before we go back sa room kasi mainit na talaga and I can feel yung humidity dito. So, ayan siya. So, ayun guys, pasok na tayo kasi mainit na. How do you open this? So, ayun. Yun yung Fullerton Hotel. Ganda siya guys, grabe. You may wish to consider din yung dito sa Fullerton. Ang ganda. Ang ganda, as in, no words. So, ayun guys. Magpre-prepare lang ako. Siguro kakain muna. Tapos, we can start roaming around na. So, ayun guys. See you! So, ayun. Bali ayun guys. Nakaligo na ako na sa sunscreen na lang. Where is my sunscreen? Tapos, mag-ayos ng buhok. Tapos, we're ready to go out. So, wait lang guys. Ang gamit ko palang sunscreen is ito. Benton Airfit UV Defense Sunscreen. So, maganda siya. Meron siyang onting white cast at first. Tapos, nawawala siya eventually. Nice nito guys kasi hindi mahapdi sa mata. Tapos gentle lang din siya. Tapos yung pag nag-set na siya, hindi na siya halata. Medyo mahapdi lang yung nag-shave kasi ako guys mumula. Medyo matulis yung razor. So yun siya. Ngayon, kailangan mo lang ipaset to. Tapos magsaset naman siya. Mawawala naman yung white cast niyan. Diba naging na, get ready with me na yung vlog. Tapos nice ito guys kasi hindi siya malagkit. Tapos rin siya guys, may blue light technology, SPF 50+, PA4+. So ayan, non-comedogenic, blue light protection tested, tsaka dermatologically tested. Tapos noon, meron siyang Centella asiatica. So, pagka meron ka mga redness, nakakatulong to. Palan ko lang today guys kasi 'di ba maghapon tayong babad sa araw, alam nyo naman. Tapos doon, mag-wax na tayo ng buhok. Ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo na binili natin sa Japan, sa ano na ngayon? Mitso. I forgot the name, pero ito yung binili natin. Fragrance wax. Mabango siya. Ganyan. Tapos, ang ginagawa dito is, lather mo lang siya sa kamay. Lalagay mo lang siya sa buhok. Tapos, spread mo lang siya. Tapos, tsaka ka magbo-blower sa gusto mong style. So, ganun siya. Pero kasi yung buhok ko guys, ang style lang talaga ng hair ko is gulo-gulo. So, ayun, hindi ako talaga masyadong nag-aayos ng buhok. Wait lang, hugas na akong kamay. Pinapatuyo ko lang yung wax saka yung excess water. Para di sarili yung bago. So, bali ayun, ganun lang siya. Ganun lang siya ayusin. Tapos, yung buhok ko, throughout the day, it just does its own thing. Yun. So, basically, gulo-gulo lang siya talaga. So, ayan. Wait lang, guys. So, ayun guys, kakalabas ko lang ng room and currently, nandito ako sa Bridgeway. Ito kasing area na to, ito yung key area, QUAY, area ng Fullerton Hotel. And I just wanna show you real quick itong view ng Bridgeway. Ang ganda niya guys. Ayan siya. So ayan. Ayan siya guys. And pakita ko sa inyo yung view downstairs. Ayan siya guys. And then sa kabila naman ay ito. So, ayun guys, we're out of the hotel. Pero gusto ko lang tingnan yung mga iba nilang mga entertainment and attractions dito mismo sa Fullerton. So, like itong nasa tapat ko ngayon is Giant Chess. Look, tingnan nyo oh. Wow, ang galing. Ayun guys, syempre, in the game of chess, the pawn always go first daw. So, let's make our move. Lagay natin dito. Ay, wait lang. Yes. Oh, di ba? Na lang. Tapos, ito yung building. So, bali right now guys, nasa East Garden tayo. And dito kasi merong Fullerton Farm. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. So, ayan, yung Fullerton Farm. Explore the Fullerton Farm and reconnect with nature in the heart of the city. So, ayan siya. Let's try to see what's meron. Ito guys. Wow, may pandan. For example yan, pandan. Tapos may laksa leaves. Ito pala yung ano guys, yung flavor ng laksa. Tapos, ito di ba basil to? Ay hindi, peppermint to. Sorry guys, peppermint. Yan. Tapos ito pagoda flower, which is yan. Tapos ito rosemary. Ang galing ng rosemary dito. Natitempt ako guys, kumuha. And then chili paddy. Tapos, ito guys, vanilla. Ito yuzu. Walang yuzu guys. And then vanilla. Tapos more laksa leaves. Tapos, rosemary ulit. So, ayun siya guys. Meron siyang mini farm dito. And look, ang ganda nito oh. Ayun guys oh. Nice. Ayun na ba yung cover na? Yan na nga ang cover na bridge guys. Ito oh. Tumatawid lang ako dito guys. Para makita ko yung cover na bridge. Ay hindi. Itong Anderson Bridge. Ayun na nakalagay. Ayun guys. It's Anderson Bridge. So, yung isa pa pala yung cover na. Pero, puntahan din natin yan. So, ayun guys, sumatawid lang ako dito. I'm not sure kung stable itong nilalakaran ko. Sana hindi ako gumulong dito, di ba? Picture sila guys. Tayo rin later. Pero, ayun, nakikita ko na dito yung ano. Hala, dito rin nakikita ko na yung ano. Yung Art Science Museum from here. Tsaka mayroong hala, alam niyo guys, parang gusto ko sumakay dyan sa ano. Anong tawag dyan sa Ferris wheel? Tingnan natin guys kung pwede. Alam niyo, parang bigla ako nagpanic sa araw na to. Kasi parang, nung nakita ko yung labas, parang gusto ko na lumabas. Pero, hindi pa kasi tayo nakakapag-tour dito sa hotel. So, unahin na muna natin to. So, nagpanic ako kasi gusto ko mag-cover ng mas maraming alam mo yun, places here sa Singapore while we're here, di ba? Kasi 7 days lang tayo. And actually from here, nakikita ko na nga yung Marina Bay Sands, which is, ayan oh. Not sure kung papasok pa ako dyan. Huwag na nga. Tingnan natin naman yung lobby ng Fullerton Hotel. Kasi pagkalabas ng elevator kanina, guys, nakita ko na yung East Garden, na-tempt na ako. So lumabas kagad ako. So, ayun, tingnan mo natin yung kanilang lobby. Tsaka yung, meron kasi history ng Fullerton Hotel sa basement. So, yun ang gusto kong pakita rin sa inyo. Which is actually, yun rin yung dinaanan natin kahapon. Kung napansin nyo yung parang, underground area doon. Wait lang guys. So, ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa lobby ng Fullerton Hotel. And ang ganda dito. Ayan o, kasi kagabi nung dumaan ako dito, hindi ko pa nakikita ng with natural light. Ngayon, kita ko na siya. Actually guys, ang dami nag-high tea dito guys. Ayun, galing tayo dun guys, dun sa Bridgeway, dun sa taas kanina. Yan yung tiningnan natin na view down below. Pero now we're actually here sa baba. Tapos guys, yan din yung dinaanan natin kagabi. Yung area na yan, oh my gosh, hindi ko maayos. Papakita ko na nga lang sa inyo. So, ayan siya guys. Ang ganda, di ba? Yan yung pababa nila sa basement. Remember kagabi, bumaba tayo dyan. Ayan, ganda. So, nandyan guys sa baba yung may history ng Fullerton. And over in this section naman, meron silang Fullerton Cake Boutique. Ito yung mga entremets. Yan, entremet, raspberry lychee rose bandung, which I don't know what's bandung. Strawberry shortcake. Wala, parang ang sarap nito. Onde cake. I don't know what's that. Red velvet cake. And then you have the carrot walnut cake. Flourless chocolate cake for gluten-sensitive people. And then peranakan twist. I don't know what's that. So ayan siya. It's the Fullerton Cake Boutique. And some treats like ito Fullerton cookies. And then Fullerton chocolate bar. Tapos meron dito silang mga mini plated desserts. French pastry, sorry. Like that. Hazelnut chocolate cracking, choux, orange pineapple. And then you have the peranakan twist. Tingnan nyo lang guys yung price. Yuzu jasmine cake. And then you have the raspberry lychee rose bandung. And then hazelnut cocoa crunch. So ayun, to name some. Mga French pastries. Tapos may chocolate din. Oh. Cute. And then guys, ito yung sa taas. So ayan siya. So, yun yung lobby ng Fullerton. Oh my God, gusto ko mag-coffee doon mamaya or what. Tapos, siguro actually, why not now? Diba? Why not now? Pero tingnan muna natin guys yung tawag nito. Guys, grabe, ngayon pa lang. Nasa lobby pa lang ako. Pero nagpapawis na ako. Sobrang init. Pero aircon tong lobby pero mainit. Ang humid. Tapos, ang humid. Anyway, mamaya na lang. Tingnan muna natin yung history ng Fullerton sa baba. Tsaka tayo coffee and plated dessert. Anyway, guys, look. Cute. Diba? Tapos, sino tong si Neng Teng Fong? Ay, Christian siya, oh. I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Psalm 23 verse 6. So siya yan. So he is a firm believer in the virtues of frugality, hard work, and progressiveness. Nang Teng Fong considered himself simply an ordinary working man. He had a dream and an ambition to satisfy a desire for new homes among Singaporeans. In 1960, he completed his first major project at Jalan Pacheli, establishing Far East Organization as a real estate development enterprise. He went on to develop innovative homes, built the first shopping malls in Orchard Road. Okay. And pioneered the development of a vibrant waterfront, retail, and commercial center in Tsim Sha Tsui, East Hong Kong. Okay. So, ayan siya. To God be the glory. So, ayan siya. God bless his soul. So, 2010 lang pala siya namatay, guys. So, ayun. Tingnan naman natin ngayon, guys, yung history ng Fullerton. Kasi nakita ko siya kagabi dito sa baba. And gusto ko lang din pakita natin lahat, diba? Tapos dito, guys, merong Jade Water Fountain pala. Ayan. So, Jade Water Fountain. Major civilizations around the world first began near water, and it's revered as the essence of life for many cultures. Located at the center of the Fullerton Hotel, Singapore, this elegant water fountain attracts travelers of different backgrounds from every corner of the globe. Its flowing water and circular jade-like coin structure symbolize wealth in Chinese feng shui. Tapos, ensuring that the hotel continues to prosper for many years ahead. Ayun, yun pala yung symbolism niya, guys. So, ito siya. Wow, ang ganda niya. So, ayun. Anyway, let's go. Let's proceed na, guys. Guys, natitempt talaga ako this entremet. At least yung French pastry. Parang masarap. So, let's go. And guys, dito may koi fish din pala. Lalo malapit sila sa akin, no? Kasi kala nila papakainin ko sila. Ang cute! Dito, 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 dito. Ay, malapit sila, oh. Ayan, lumalapit sila, guys. Ang cute nila. So, ayan siya. Ito yung water fountain. So, ayun guys. So at this point, let's go to yung history ng Fullerton Hotel, which I will show you. Guys, dito meron ng access going to the Merlion Park and the Fullerton Waterboat House. So, ayan guys. Pero alam nyo, I'm very much tempted to ay, meron pa pala dito. I'm very much tempted to go for the French pastries. Gusto ko lang tikman. Iniisip ko mabuti. Tapos dito meron rin access to Clifford Square, the Fullerton Pavilion, the Fullerton Bay Hotel, Key Bayfront, Clifford Pier, and Customs House. So, ayan siya. So, time check guys. It's actually 3:42. Not sure kung they are serving coffee and tea until late. So, baka kailangan natin muna. Guys, tapos tingnan nyo, may nakita pa akong very interesting history on the Fullerton Hotel. So, it is the literal center of Singapore pala. The Fullerton building was the stake in the ground from which all locations were measured. Singapore's progress radiated from the Fullerton building. The General Post Office was a hub of commerce and communications, but it was also the physical center of Singapore. So, places in Singapore would not have a sense of location if not for the General Post Office, which is currently the Fullerton building or the Fullerton Hotel. Before the modern day road marking system, places were identified through location markers or milestones. Addresses were calculated from a single landmark location known as the Mile Zero. Parang guys yung sa atin sa 'di ba, sa Philippines, yung EDSA is yun yung 'di ba, yun yung kilometer zero. Tama ba? Yun yung may zero na I can recall at the back of my memory anyway. According to a map published by the Straits Settlements and Federated Malay States Survey Department in 1936, the Fullerton building was Mile Zero, the literal center of Singapore. So, ayan siya guys. All roads led to the General Post Office. Ito na guys. So, ito yung history ng Fullerton Hotel. So, sa offices of note, the Fullerton Hotel was an important meeting place and still remains to be. Political, commercial, and social influencers continue to gather at the hotel discussing ideas and making decisions. These are a selection of notable government offices that were based in the Fullerton building. So first, between 1928 and 1996, it served as the General Post Office. Tapos, from 1928 to 1979, it served as Marine Office, Master Attendant's Office. Tapos, 1928, Office of the Governor of Singapore. And then 1928 then, High Commission of the Federation of Malay States. And then 1928, Chamber of Commerce. And then between 1928 to 1996 naman, Ministry of Trade and Industry, previously Imports and Exports Department. And then from 1955 to 1996, Income Tax Department and Inland Revenue Department, now Inland Revenue Authority of Singapore. Tapos from 1960 to 1978, Ministry of Finance. Tapos Economic Development Board. Tapos Monetary Authority of Singapore. To 1972 yan guys. So ayan. So who, by the way, is Fullerton? This is Sir Robert Fullerton. The Fullerton is named after Scotsman Sir Robert Fullerton. From 1773 to 1831, he was the first governor of the Straits Settlements from 1826 to 1830. In 1829, he built Fort Fullerton at the mouth of Singapore River to defend the harbor. So guys, nakita ko to and I think it's worth to discuss din na bali, nandito tayo sa Fullerton Hotel Singapore, right? Yung kaninang underway pass na nakita natin leads to One Fullerton din pala. So meron siya underground passage going to One Fullerton. And then, ito yung Cavena Bridge, which is part ng introduction ko kanina, di ba? And sabi natin, pupuntahan natin later on. Ito yung view natin kanina. Now, nung lumabas tayo sa East Garden, di ba nagpunta tayo sa East Garden nila, ito yung nakita nating bridge, which is the Anderson Bridge. Tapos, ito naman yung Merlion Park, and then Jubilee Bridge. Tapos, isa pa palang notable thing na nakita ko, yung napagkamalang kong church kanina dun sa balcony ng room natin, na sinabi nating theater, ito yung nabasa ko, Victoria Theater and Concert Hall. So, surrounded pala talaga ang Fullerton Hotel ng mga, alam niyo yun, yung mga heritage na buildings. So, ayan siya guys. And among them, ayun, yung Fullerton Hotel Singapore, Fullerton Bay, and then you have that. I can read that as soon as it turns in English, which is any second from now on. The Fullerton Water Boat House, One Fullerton, the Fullerton Pavilion, Clifford Pier, Custom House, and the Merlion Park. So, ayun siya guys. Ang galing. So, ayun siya. Meron siya talagang heritage, guys. Meron siya talagang deep historical value sa Singapore. Hindi lang siya basta hotel. So, ayun. Pero alam niyo guys, an interesting thing na napansin ko is hindi ko nabasa yung it served as a hospital during the Japanese occupation. Hindi ko siya nabasa, so I'm not sure if it's factual or not. So, just, I don't know. So, ayun guys, we are going to Merlion Park and Jubilee Bridge. So, pakaliwa siya. And then the Fullerton Pavilion, Clifford Square, pakanan. But, I just want to show you real quick, guys, yung view ng bay, which is ito, guys. Oh my God, ang ganda! Just look at that. Ayan o. So from there, Fullerton Bay. Ayun pala yung Fullerton Bay, guys. So, again, meron siyang underground passage leading to Fullerton Bay kapag ayaw nyo maarawan. And ito siya yung bay. Tapos, guys, sana na-appreciate nyo. Pero, ayan ang Marina Bay Sands. Ito, siguro, I'm assuming ito yung shops. Yan yung the shops by Marina Bay Sands. And then, etong globe na to, Apple Store yan. Ang tawag nila dyan, Apple Globe, parang ganun. And then, you have the Art Science Museum, which is etong parang shell na nakaganon. And then, I don't know what's the Ferris wheel called, pero parang gusto ko yan. Tingnan natin kung affordable, then we can ride it. And then, dito merong yung Mandarin Oriental, Pan Pacific, and then I cannot read that anymore, parang sobrang layo. Pero ito siya. Ito yung view niya, guys. Tapos dyan tayo galing, yung underground passage from the hotel to this bay. Actually, guys, hindi pa nga natin nakikita yung actual facade ng, nung bumaba tayo sa Grab kagabi, nakita ko na yung facade ng Fullerton Hotel. Pero I just wanna see it during the morning. So, ayan, guys, ang saya dito. And buti na lang, guys, na medyo makulimlim. Buti na lang din, guys, na kanina umaga it was raining. Kasi hindi tirik yung araw. Kasi time check, it's 3:52 na. E di sana katirikan ng araw, pero hindi. We are actually fortunate enough to, alam niyo yun, stroll around without the heat of the sun, di ba? And wait lang, before we go to, dun sa Fullerton facade, I just want to appreciate etong view na to, guys. So, again, yan yung Marina Bay Sands. Tapos, dyan tayo galing. Tapos, sorry guys, tinatry kong wag bilisan yung pag-ikot ng camera kasi napansin ko yung mga previous vlog, medyo ang bilis-bilis pa nakakahilo. So, I'm trying my best. Ang ganda nito, oh. Yan, may water something. Yan yung Fullerton, guys. Ayan. And then, ito yung One Fullerton. Ah, okay. Para hindi na tayo tumawid, kaya tayo nag-underpass. So, ayan pala siya. Nice na, di ba? And then, ito yung... So, I'm guessing, guys, itong buong to is the Fullerton Square. So, ayan, which is one, of course, the Fullerton Hotel, which is the center of all Singapore. And then, yung Merlion Park, which up to now we have not seen. And then, yung Cavenagh Bridge. And then, itong area, basta itong Bay Area na to. So, ayan siya. Hey guys, ito yung Fullerton Hotel. Yung facade ng building from outside. Yan. Tapos, sa gabi niyan, puro yellow light naman to actually amplify the beauty of the building at night. Kasi, it deserves all the, di ba? The light. Kasi, alam niyo yun, it's the center of all Singapore. And, siya rin yung basis ng address of all addresses here in Singapore kasi yun yung mode ng pag-a-address before. It's based at the center. Pero ayan siya. Ang ganda niya, di ba? So, ayun guys. Highway na pala to. So, yung dinaanan natin kanina, underground siya. Sa taas niya is highway na. Ayan siya guys. So. And then, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo to. So, ayan guys, yung view ng Fullerton Hotel. Ayan, ang ganda. Alam, may city tour na dumaan guys, so parang gusto ko tuloy mag-ganon. Parang gusto ko tuloy guys pag city tour. Kasi only because, again, this is my first time in Singapore. So, kinakapa ko pa actually as we go, yung, alam niyo yun, yung iko-content ko. And parang baka mas madalian tayo kung naka-city tour. Grabe yung pawis ko. Ang init. And guys, pakita ko lang din sa inyo to. Ayan pala siya. And then guys, ito yung Fullerton Hotel. Now guys, according dun sa signage, yung Merlion Park is actually, and One Fullerton is pa ganito. Ngayon, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo kasi itong bridge na to, gusto ko lang din siya daanan. Ito yata yung Anderson Bridge kanina eh. So, puntahan lang muna natin siya before we head out again para tingnan tong area naman na nandito. Okay guys, so I'm crossing the street now. And grabe, my heart is so happy. Parang, hindi ko describe. Kasi, alam niyo yun, yung pagka first time mo sa isang place, tapos na-appreciate mo siya. Yung unang morning, actually, yun. Yung unang morning ng pag-stay mo sa street, sobrang laking impact nun sa, alam mo yun, sa pagda-travel mo. And I'm so happy na I'm able to document yung first time ko here sa Singapore kasi, again, everything's a wow moment for me now na first time ko dito sa lugar na to. Kasi sa Japan, medyo alam mo yun, gamay mo na kung saan ka pupunta, alam mo na kung what to expect, and dito hindi eh. Hindi mo alam yung, well, nakikita mo siya sa Google, yung kung ano mga pupuntahan mo, you're able to search and make your itinerary, pero alam mo yun, hindi mo ma-appreciate yung ganda ng isang lugar unless na nandun ka talaga. So, ayun. Wait lang guys, paunahin na natin sila. Pero, guys, grabe yung pawis ko. Hulas is real. Anyway, ito na yung Anderson Bridge. So, yan siya guys. I'm not sure dito sa nilalakaran ko. Ay, hindi. Pwede naman pala. Ito yung Anderson Bridge. Yan. Ah, ayun. Okay, gets. So, ito yung Cavenagh Bridge naman. Tingnan nyo, oh, merong boat. Parang gusto ko yan. Ang nice dito, guys. Grabe. Tapos yun yung room natin, oh. Parang yun yung room natin, yung may ilaw dun. Nakalimutan ko yata patayin yung light. Tapos ito yung ito yung Anderson Bridge where we're currently walking. Tapos, again, yun yung Cavenagh Bridge. So, ayan naman guys, yung view ng Fullerton Hotel. from dito sa location natin sa likod. Okay? Ay guys, doon pala yung swimming pool ng ano, kasi may nakikita ko mga nang-swimming dito. Pero we haven't been to that actually. Puntahan na lang natin later. Sorry guys. Kasi, alam mo yun, one thing led to another na palabas na tayo ng building after ng history ng Fullerton Hotel. And then, nakalimutan ko na i-feature, meron pa silang fitness area, tapos meron silang, yan, yung swimming pool area. Tapos meron pa nga yung sa taas na nakita natin, yung basta water something. Ayan. Anyway, well, ayan siya. So, ayun guys, tuloy tayo. Naglakad lang ako dito sa Anderson Bridge. Ay, ang init. Ang lagkit guys. As in, pwede nyo na akong pigain. At this point, sobrang pawis. Pero alam niyo yung pansin ko yung mga Singaporeans. Singaporeans ba yung tawag sa mga Singapore? Anyway, wala lang sa kanila yung init. Wala lang sa kanila yung humidity. Parang di sila pinagpapawisan. Pero anyway, ito yung nakita nating view, yung Kalakong Church from our hotel, the Victoria Memorial Hall. Ito siya. So, Victoria Theater pala siya. So, ayan. And then, once again, ito yung view ng Marina Bay Sands with Anderson Bridge. Tapos, punta naman ngayon tayo guys sa Cavenagh Bridge. Hala, meron na naman dumadaan na boat. Tapos tingnan nyo guys, tong punong to, para siyang isang own ecosystem on its own. Kasi meron siyang, alam mo yun, dun sa branch, dun sa sa mga branches niya, may tumutubong mga plant din. And I'm sure marami dyang mga, kung ano man, insekto man or what, na naninirahan. Even moss, ayun may nakikita ko. So ayan siya guys, ang ganda. Dito tayo dumaan guys. Pero, puntahan natin ang Cavenagh Bridge naman. Ang init. Meron akong neck fan guys actually. Dala ko now pero kasi nag-sample recording ako kanina. Rinig na rinig sa camera so hindi ako pwede mag-neck fan kasi maririnig siya sa camera. So ayun. Tingnan niyo merong daan dito for the public. Pero nakakatakot naman si Bagay. Tapos ito yung view ng Anderson Bridge from down below. Yan siya guys. Miss ko na yung Osaka, yung sa river ng Osaka. Tapos tingnan nyo to. May raven doon, no? Tapos ito, parang binibilangan niya yung Anong ginagawa nila? Tapos ito mo yung tsinelas, ang laki, Tapos guys, ito yung view ng Anderson Bridge. Tapos, ito yung ito ang Police Heritage Trail naman. Okay. Tapos, guys, ang ganda ng mga puno nila, Grabe. Kasi inaalagaan nila yung nature. Yan, guys. Yung Fullerton Hotel, overlooking at, a portion of the Marina Bay Sands. Tapos ito yung Raven. Sana hindi niya tayo atakihin. Ito naman yung Cavenagh Bridge. Yan, guys. So, ayan. Merong a bit of a history itong Cavenagh Bridge which I will read. Wait lang. So, ayun guys, let me just read to you itong description ng Cavenagh Bridge which is nasa likod ko, opposite the Anderson Bridge kanina. So, sabi sa Google, it is the oldest pedestrian bridge completed in 1869 across the Singapore River that exists in its original form. So, untouched yan. It exists in its original form. So, ayan siya. Nice. Oldest bridge daw sa Singapore. Wow. So, daanan natin siya. Tara, let's go guys. Now, eto naman guys, meron kasing building dito across itong Cavenagh Bridge. Wait, later na yan. Pero eto na guys, yung Asian Civilization Museum. Okay, museum pala to. Asian Civilization Museum. Okay, I'm not sure kung may bayad dyan. Baka meron. Pero anyway, yan siya. Tapos meron na namang life-size na chess board dito. Pero Ito kasi parang more on Singapore characters. Parang ganyan siya. Tapos ang ganda nito guys. So, anyway, ito palang body of water na nandito sa paligid ng Fullerton Hotel is the Singapore River pala to. Ang tawag ko lang sa kanya actually is Bay, pero it's actually the Singapore River. So, eto na ngayon yung Cavenagh Bridge. Sabi sa taas, I'm not sure if you're able to read, pero basahin ko lang din, Major General Orfeur Cavenagh, Governor Straits Settlements from 1859 to 1867. Tapos meron ditong police notice, Cavenagh Bridge. The use of this bridge is prohibited to any vehicle of which the laden weight exceeds 3, ano yung CWT? I'm not particular of that unit of measurement. Pero, and to all cattle and horses. So, bawal palang horses and cattle dyan. By order, Chief Police Officer. So, ito siya. The Cavenagh Bridge, it says there, the oldest bridge across the Singapore River to survive in its original form. Cavenagh Bridge is located between Empress Place and the Fullerton Building, linking the colonial offices to the financial district. Earlier, the only way to cross the river mouth was via a temporary footbridge or by paying a boatman. Named after Governor Sir William Cavenagh, the bridge was completed in 1869. Okay? Cavenagh Bridge was one of the first suspension bridges in the region. Locals called it Hai Ki Thi Thiakyo. I cannot read that, guys. After 1910, when the nearby Anderson Bridge was opened, the Cavenagh Bridge was converted into a footbridge linking Empress Palace and the commercial district. The Singapore River Walk is adopted by American Express. So, ayan siya. So, that's the Cavenagh Bridge. And magkakad tayo towards it. Across it pala. Guys, sorry. Ano ba yan? So guys, ito, Cavenagh Bridge. Bagsak na bagsak na yung buhok ko sa init. Wow! So ayun na, Cavenagh Bridge. So guys, ito naman yung view ng Fullerton Hotel sa direction na to. So dyan tayo binaba ng Grab kanina pala. Ay, kagabi. So ayan siya guys. So ayun. Let's enter the hotel. Kasi ang pupuntahan naman natin ngayon is the Merlion Park. Nakasal. May nagpipictorial guys sa kasal kaya hindi ako makadaan kanina doon. Anyway, ayan na. Tapos na sila yata. So I can enter. Actually, binabalikan ko yung yung French pastries dito na nakita natin kanina early on. So, ayun guys, orderin natin itong Fullerton Heritage Chocolate Cake. Apparently, it's their signature chocolate cake here sa Fullerton. So, just to try. So guys, apart from French pastries and entremets kanina, meron din pala silang mga, like for example, itong mga breads. Ito, for example, is a prosciutto, focaccia, mortadella, focaccia. Mortadella is cheese. Tapos pastrami, croissant, and ham and cheese croissant. So, yun guys. And then, meron din silang multi-grain bread, sourdough, rye bread loaf, and walnut bread. Tapos ito, black olive sourdough. So, yun guys. Okay guys, so dumating na yung order natin and we ordered their signature chocolate cake, which I forgot the name, parang heritage something like that. And yung ating cappuccino, which is this one. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo guys, up close, kasi ang hirap. So ito siya guys, yung kanilang signature chocolate cake. And then we have our cappuccino na rin. And ayan guys, cute ng coffee art nila. Ayan. And guys, let's eat. So ayan guys, kain tayo. Let's try their chocolate cake. Medyo nagkikrave na rin kasi ako ng sweets kanina. Naglalakad tayo siguro dahil sa init. So, ayun. Para siyang may merong... ang harap. Meron siyang glaçage. Milk chocolate, yung niya, yung ganache, tsaka chocolate sponge. Sarap. Guys, and then coffee. Alam nyo guys, masarap na yung Nespresso sa taas. Masarap pa yung coffee nila. Talaga yung totoong coffee nila. Matapang, ganyan. Yun yung gusto ko kasing coffee, matapang. Kasi yung parang gising ka hanggang gabi. Kain tayong cake. Kanina kasi habang naglalakad parang nagde-deadbat na ako. So parang ang perfect ang ginawa natin na from room, umikot tayo and then yung history ng Fullerton and then lumabas tayo to get the view of the Anderson and the Kavena Bridge. So kung gayahin yung cake nila guys, ang sarap. Actually, milk chocolate na naman siya. Pero kasi ang sarap ng ganache, hindi masyado matamis, very deep yung pagka-chocolate niya, ganun. And ito, parang may isa pang pastry that came with the order. Ito guys, hindi ko masyado gusto. Parang may spices to. Hindi ko masyado gusto. Parang ang weird ng lasa niya for me. Ano siya, parang hindi ko maintindihan guys. Basta yun yung phrase sa coffee. Ang sama ng lasa. For me sorry guys. hindi ko nagulat ako pagkakagat ko yung ganun yung lasa. Pero yung chocolate cake tsaka yung coffee the best. So yun guys, let's enjoy! So ayun guys, we are done eating our coffee and chocolate cake. Now, bumaba ulit ako sa basement level because this time around, gusto ko naman puntahan yung Merlion Park. Totoo na to kasi isa talaga yun sa landmark dito sa not only Fullerton Square but sa whole of Singapore. So, ayun siya. And dito rin tayo galing kanina when we passed by yung history ng Fullerton Hotel, how it served as the General Post Office during their time. So, ayun. So, sabi dito, Merlion Park, Fullerton Waterboat House, just straight up. So, ito yung mga binasa natin kanina actually, guys. Yan. And then, ayan pa. Tapos, not only that, meron pa mga areas doon. Guys, yung General Post Office, so, yun pala yun. Yung collection point. Yung post, holiday posting, deadline. So, ganyan pala itsura niya. So, it says here, General Post Office, the history of postal services in Singapore goes far longer back in time than Singapore's independence. The first post office, as it was then known, was under the jurisdiction of the Master Attendant's Office until 1858. Singapore's very first post office operated in front of the current Arts House or the former Parliament House with only 3 staff. Wow! The post office also had a boat to transport mail and from steamers, which were usually anchored off the mouth of the Singapore River. Basahin nyo na lang. Anyway, some shops. So, ayun guys, punta na tayo sa Merlion Park this time around. So, ayun guys, let's go sa Merlion Park. Wait, guys, tingnan nyo ito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Guys, ito pala yung yung kasama sa coffee natin na piece of pastry na sinabi ko na parang weird yung lasa. Kue lapis pala yung tawag sa kanya. Or kue lapis, I'm not sure. So, the Fullerton Kue Lapis is crafted with a signature blend of archipelago spices. Kaya pala. Kaya sabi ko na may natitikman ako certain spice and baked by our dedicated pastry chefs using a time-honored family recipe to achieve its distinctive layers, the hallmark of a well-crafted Kue Lapis. So, ayun guys, kaya pala may spice akong natitikman talaga kanina. Parang, how I would describe it, para siyang layers ng crepe. Tapos may spices kang matitikman sa kanya. So, ayun guys, it's, sorry, don't judge. Pero, it's not for me. So, if you're a fan of that pastry, sorry. Pero, yun nga guys, kasi meron tayong sarili-sarili ring, alam mo yon preference in terms of taste, ng mga panglasa. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa Merlion Park. Let's go, guys! Okay, guys. So, I'm out of the hotel. And alam nyo, ang findings ko pala, or ang natutunan ko, is that etong dinaanan nating underpass from Fullerton Hotel and etong Bay Area is yung Fullerton 1. So, yun. Bali, etong Fullerton 1, kinreate yung underpass niya in such a way, pwede makatawid yung mga, alam mo yung mga naka-check-in sa other side. Kasi kalsada siya, di ba? Highway siya. Dito sa Bay Area, with ease. Hindi mo na kailangan dumaan sa traffic light, di ba? Or sa kalsada. Ayun yung Bay Area, guys. Ngayon, punta tayo sa Merlion Park area. Guys, alam niyo yung laban na laban yung sunscreen ko dito sa Singapore. Ganun talaga yung nafe-feel ko. Ano pa, overcast pa guys, wala pang araw at this point. Pero guys, grabe, parang natatalo yung sunscreen ko ng humidity at heat dito. So guys, having said that, ang saya dito, yung parang, hindi ko ma-describe. Basta ang saya, buhay na buhay yung itong area na to. Tapos, kasi like Japan, meron din silang, alam mo yun, provision for nature and at the same time, yung city vibes nila, ganun yung pagkaka-build dito. Hindi nila totally destroy yung nature to give way for urbanization, ganun. So as you can see kanina may mga park, may mga flowering plants all throughout, may mga trees. So ganun siya. Tapos hindi nila sinira yung river, yung mga bridges nila nag-adjust para to respect nature at the same time. So ganun. Ang wise, 'di ba? Ang galing. And guys, ito na pala yung Merlion Park. And ito siya guys. Ayan oh. Wow. Ayan siya guys. Maraming tourists dito at the moment. Pero pakita ko siya sa inyo. Ayan siya. Ayan siya guys. Mas daming guys tourists dito oh. So yun guys, up close guys, ito siya. Gusto ko pumunta doon sa may bandadong area para i-appreciate pa yung other view, other side ng etong Merlion statue. Wait lang guys. Yan yung araw guys. Oh. Pero guys, ang daming tao dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Hi guys. Ayan guys, so alam mo. So, ayun guys, finally, nandito na tayo sa Merlion Park and as you can see sa likod ko, yan yung Merlion statue, yung famous Merlion statue. Sana nakukuha siya. So yun guys, basahin ko lang real quick yung description ng Merlion Park. So sabi ng Google, it is a famous Singapore landmark and serves as a major tourist attraction. So as you can see, etong Merlion Park, it's drawing tourists all around just to take photo or video of the Merlion head. Tapos, yung Merlion naman is a mythical creature with a lion's head and fish's tail that is widely used as a national personification of Singapore. So, ayun siya. So, yun guys, let's enjoy the view together. So, yun guys, ang Merlion Park, once more, ito siya. And itong bridge sa likod ko, I'm not sure of the name. Wait, I have to check. Pero ito rin yata yung bridge na dadaanan natin papuntang Makasontra, Glotons Bay. Kung hindi ito, baka yun. Pero hindi ko alam kung highway. So, tingnan na lang natin later. Pero, guys, grabe yung buhok ko. Parang bagsak na saan. Pero, anyway, ito siya ulit, guys. Pero at this point, let's head back to the hotel muna. Kasi gusto kong tingnan naman yung pool kasi hindi pa natin tapos yung hotel eh. So, gusto kong i-feature din yung pool kahit real quick lang. Tapos, let's rest muna bago ay, tingnan nyo guys. So, dito sa area na to, merong small version ng ng Merlion. So, yun guys, kung ayaw mo na makipagsiksikan dun asa na ba yun? Diyan. Edi dito ka na lang muna. So, ayun guys. Tapos parang may nakita ko dito guys. So, parang may nakita ko guys dito. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nga natin kung anong pwede mabili dyan. Ah, ito. Mga drinks. Ito, Thai coconut, coconut shake, avocado shake, orange, strawberry. So, yan siya. Yan guys, so, mga fruits. Like honey pineapple. Yan siya. Watermelon. Oh, sorry, melon. Or honeydew ba yan? Avocado. Ah, galing Australia to. Yun, Australia avocado. Tapos, strawberry, Korea. Mamahal din yan, $12. Thai coconut, fragrant coconut. Example, durian biscuit, $10.90. Tapos ito naman, durian ice cream. Okay. So ano siya guys, $6.90. Wow! Ano siya? Ito siya guys, mga durian based na ice cream. Cute. Tapos ito yung durian guys. Tapos may kamote din dito. Tapos meron din silang roasted kamote. Ayan baked fresh daily. Ang price is $2.90 for 100 grams. Ayan nice. Ayan, ano naman siya, Singapore Premium Baked Sweet Potato. Tapos more coconut here. Pansin ko nga guys na mahilig sila sa coconut dito. Mainit kasi, so that will serve as parang alam mo yun, electrolyte replacement, ganun. And ito naman, puro fruit section. So meron dragon fruit, may pineapple, may papaya, merong mix naman, may kiwi. Tapos ito, mga mixed fruits. Ito may grapefruit din. Tapos may melon, may apple, may siguro melon to, pineapple, papaya. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo na lang. Ito red dragon fruit. Tapos ito watermelon. So ayun siya. So yung price niya nag-range sa $4 to $5.50. Meron din naman $3. Tapos ito $6 yung mix. Yung mga malalaki, I'm not sure of the price. Wala silang display. So, pero ayun guys. Actually guys, nandito lang tayo sa under the bridge. Under the bridge na nakita natin pagbaba ng Merlion Head. Which is ito guys, pakita ko sa inyo ang gandang view. Yun guys, so sana ma-appreciate nyo dyan. Kasi dito sa pag-live, kapag nandito ka talaga, ma-appreciate mo siya. Ayan siya guys. Tingnan pa natin kung ano makikita dito. Dito naman, mga souvenir area. Ayan guys. Ito na yung Fullerton Hotel pala. Ayan. So, pagbaba ng Esplanade Drive, may hagdan naman dito. So, bababa lang kayo dito. So, ito na itong area na to. Parang to cut short. Parang shortcut to ng papuntang Merlion Park. Mga bangles, may mga sunnies, may mga t-shirt, may mga cap na I love Singapore. Ito glow in the dark na t-shirt. Yung price na guys pala ay, for example, yan yung hat is $22.90. SGD yan. And then yung t-shirt, $20 SGD. So, ayun guys, more t-shirts. Ito naman, siguro mas premium shirts to. Ang price niya ay $29.90. Ito $19.90. $20 pa rin. Ito, mas mura siya. $15.90. Tapos may mga postcards din dito. $1.90. Tapos guys, dito naman merong 3 for $10 na mga keyrings. May mga, kunyari, ito emblem niya, is peace. Ito wealth. Ito luck. Ito health. So, ayan siya guys. Tapos ito naman for mga bata-bata, live to travel. So, ayan siya. Mga travel lovers. Ito naman, Singapore. Tapos guys, tingin niyo ito, bag. Tela siya talaga. Ang ganda rin ito. Pero medyo mahal siya, $42.90. And then, marami pa siyang ibang designs and colors. Ito, ang ganda nito. Ano lang siya, medyo beige. And then pink. Tapos yan. So, tela siya talaga. Nice. Tapos ito rin guys, ang ganda nito actually. Tela din. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Color combination ng black, red, and white. Ayun, $42.90 din siya. Tapos, may mga I Love Merlion na mga, siguro to vases. $32. And then, ito mas maliit is $25. Ito naman mga mini wallets nila. Ayan siya guys, $20. Tapos, itong mga paperweight for yung mga desk, $18 naman. Tapos, itong mga jade. I'm not sure if that's true jade. $15. Tapos, yun pa guys. Mga maliliit na version, $12. Ito mga, ano naman ito, mga jade, $12.90. Tapos, may mga pang shot glasses, $5 naman yun. So, ayun guys, nandito lang to sa ilalim ng bridge. Basta maglakad-lakad lang kayo sa may Merlion area, you won't miss it. Kasi basta nakita niyo yung bridge sa ilalim nun, nandun lang yung souvenir shop. Now, let's head back muna sa sa hotel. Pero I really appreciate, alam niyo na wala, hindi tirik yung araw ngayon kasi otherwise, siguro ang hirap maglakad-lakad dito. Pero ang daming tao talaga. Parang even yung mga locals, they go here to, alam mo yun, unwind and relax over the Bay Area. So ayan sila guys, so yung mga nakaupo dyan. Ayan. So, let's head back guys sa hotel para mag-rest for a bit. Pero dito tayo guys dumaan sa may sa may basement area para alam mo yun, aircon. Hindi tayo mahirapan. Ayun guys, so may mga family. Pinipicture nila yung Marina Bay Sands. Pupuntahan rin natin yung Marina Bay Sands guys. Ayun guys. So ayun guys, nasa elevator ako ngayon ng init. Puntahan muna natin yung swimming pool area. Pero look at this guys, ang ganda. Parang may mga sellers sila ng wine dun. Oh. Anyway, book, ito yung Fullerton paggabi, nakalight siya. Yan yung sinasabi ko, try natin pakita later tonight para ma-appreciate niyo yung view na nakalight siya. So ayan siya guys. Pero I'm just trying to find so yung swimming pool and yung fitness center pag ganun. So let's go guys. So ayun guys, ito yung swimming pool area nila. Ayan guys, ang ganda oh. Sobrang nakaka-attract parang gusto ko mag-swimming sa init na ito. Ayan guys, tapos dyan tayo galing kanina, dun sa Anderson Bridge. Tapos ito yung view ng Singapore River. And then, yun yung Victorian Theatre na pinuntahan din natin kanina. And then, towards my left is yung Cavenagh Bridge. So that's that. Ganda oh. So, ayan guys. Let's appreciate the view. Tapos, again, ito yung swimming pool area. And then, dun sa taas yung ating room. So, ayan. Parang gusto ko mag-swimming, guys.